Get ready for a dive into keto-friendly cooking with Paneer Roti, a flavorful, versatile flatbread perfect for the ketogenic lifestyle. This recipe promises surprises even for seasoned keto cooks. Let's start cooking and explore its wonders. What is Keto Paneer Roti? Keto Paneer Roti is a clever twist on traditional Indian flatbread, replacing wheat flour with low-carb ingredients for a keto-friendly option. This dish maintains the delicious roti flavor while aligning with dietary goals, making it perfect for vegetarians too. Paneer, the key ingredient, is a fresh Indian cheese known for its firm texture and mild taste, providing ample protein and richness to the flatbread. With paneer as the star, this roti becomes a canvas for savory spices and flavors, offering a delightful explosion of taste in every bite. The ingredients: a keto symphony. Let's talk about the essential components that make the magic happen. Almond flour, our primary flour substitute, providing a subtle sweetness and nutty flavor. 1 cup coconut flour, adds a touch of fiber and helps with the dough's texture. 1/4 cup psyllium husk powder, this fiber-rich ingredient acts as a binder, giving the dough elasticity for easier rolling. 1 tablespoon paneer, fresh, crumbled paneer adds richness, protein, and that irresistible melt-in-your-mouth texture. 1 cup spices, we'll use a blend of cumin, coriander, chili powder, garam masala, and a pinch of salt to create the perfect balance of warmth, aroma, and a touch of heat. Fresh herbs, finely chopped cilantro adds a pop of freshness. Ghee, for cooking the roti, its rich, nutty flavor beautifully complements the dish. 1 to 2 tablespoons. The process, unlocking the secrets. Ready to turn these simple ingredients into keto culinary gold? Let's break down the process. Combine dry ingredients, whisk together the almond flour, coconut flour, psyllium husk powder, and a pinch of salt. Make the paneer filling, mix the crumbled paneer with your chosen spices and fresh herbs. Adjust the spice level to your taste buds. Form the dough, add warm water to the dry ingredients a little at a time, kneading until it forms a cohesive, smooth dough. Divide and shape, divide the dough into equal-sized balls. Roll each ball into a thin, even circle. Fill and fold, place a generous amount of spiced paneer filling in the center of each circle. Fold the edges to create a square or triangular parcel, sealing the filling inside. Roll it out, gently roll out each filled parcel until it's thin and even. Cook to perfection, heat ghee in a skillet over medium heat. Cook each roti until golden brown on both sides, gently pressing down on the puffed areas for even cooking. Serving suggestions: endless possibilities. The versatility of Keto Paneer Roti is astounding. Here are a few delicious ways to enjoy it. Dips and spreads: enjoy with a side of keto-friendly hummus, raita, yogurt dip, or your favorite chutney. Main dish: pair it with your favorite curries or grilled meats. Wraps: use it for wraps filled with fresh veggies, cheese, and your favorite flavors. Breakfast: enjoy with a side of scrambled eggs or keto-friendly yogurt. Tips and tricks for success. Fresh paneer: for the best flavor and texture, try making your own paneer at home. You can find many simple recipes online. Dough consistency: the dough should be soft and pliable but not too sticky. Adjust the amount of water as needed. Rolling technique: roll the dough on a lightly floured surface to prevent sticking. Spice it up: feel free to get creative with your spice blends based on your own preferences. With this recipe as your culinary guide, I have total confidence that you'll create Keto Paneer Roti that is not only healthy but also absolutely bursting with flavor. Don't hesitate to make it your own by experimenting with different fillings and toppings. If you want to stay up to date on all things keto, from delectable recipes to handy tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get those culinary adventures rolling.